Okay, so I have now acquired an ignition switch problem. When I started the car earlier in the garage, the airbag light was on, and then I lost my radio. And then the steering wheel moves up and down as I'm driving. So when I turn it to the first position, I don't get anything. To second position, that's when everything comes up. No radio, no DSP on the screen, nothing in the first position, not even, oh, there it goes. Wiggled it, no. No, let's see. There we go. Let's see if my radio comes back. Nope. Second position. Let's see if the wheel will move up and down. I don't think there's enough vibration for the switch to vibrate. Okay, still getting memory seats. Okay, still no radio. Cassette still works. No radio. Well, at least I'm getting power again on the first position, but no radio. Okay, no power again. Jiggle it. There we go. Let's try. Oh, wait. Tyrone's trick about the... Oh, I'm not getting any... No lights on the mirrors either. Oh, there we go. That's funny. That's so hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna... move the... open the mirror. That's amazing. Magic trick! Uh-oh, I didn't do it there. Nope. Nope. What happened? Nope, no memory seats. No. How about this one? No? There's a ghost. There's a ghost. Nope. Nope. Let's see if I get lights. Well, I do get lights. At least I can drive home safely. Anyway, this just happened to me when I went on my break today. So I guess I'm going to have to get another ignition switch.